Life's just a game. We all wanna win.
Hey everyone, it's Jason. We're gonna open up some more Pokemon Sun and Moon Celestial Storm today. If you've seen my previous video on this, I did get super lucky. I got a GX card. These are the dollar store packs. So there's 3 cards per pack. We'll just see what we get today. Oops. Alright, up we have a fighting type Meganite with Bide. A little bunny rabbit one back there. Psychic Splink. Very simple attack. And a supporter card, Copycat. Shuffle your hand in your deck, then draw a card for each card in your opponent's hand. So that's pretty cool. It can be either really good, really bad. I mean, assuming you probably wait till they have a full hand. Pack 2. Leaf type Circuit. A ground type Onyx. And a stadium card, the Shrine of Punishment. Between turns, put 1 damage counter on each of your GX and EX Pokemon. So, like, I see a card like this, and I'm assuming that almost everyone nowadays in decks runs a GX or an EX, so you could utilize that. But I'm personally like, I hate playing cards in constructed games where it's this counteracts this specific type of card, and then you hope that your opponent plays it. I know at Magic the Gathering you can sideboard in between games and change cards out, so if someone does, but then you're already 1 game into it. Anywho, Seedot. And we have a foil supporter. He's a fisherman. Put 4 basic energy cards from your discard pile into your hand. And we finally got an evolution, a Huntail, water type. Dangerous Bite. We have another water type. A Love Disc. Oh, this is the zoom up on that. It's the cool crochet ones. I like this artwork. Electrike. And a Steel Energy. I don't think I've had one of the new Steel Energies yet. Some back from the original set when they... Oh, this pack doesn't want to open. There we go. The original Steel and Dark all had extra effects and they weren't basic. Alright, everyone's favorite Mudkip. Everybody loves a Mudkip. Oh! And a Alolan Rattata. Call for boss. Search your deck for an Alolan Raticate or an Alolan Raticate GX. That's cool. Friend Ball. That's an item. Oh. My fingers don't want to open packs today, apparently. There we go. Oh, we got a Psychic type Sherpick. Oh, a regular foil, not the full art foil. So this means this is a rare card, but it's a Solgaleo. It's the full metal body. This Pokemon has any steel energy attached to it. It has no weakness. It's pretty cool. Alright, we just got a nice cool card out of there. And energy switch. And we're going to start taking down the backers. Last 4 packs. Oh no, it's another Sherpet. Oh, and we got, what's how I pronounce this? A Desax? I'm sure I'm destroying that name. But he's a basic. He's not like a super, he's a rare card, but he's not like a super ultra rare. And we got a Fairy Energy Celebi pack. Oh my gosh. I am having so much trouble opening packs today. And we have an upside down Torchic. There he is. Oh, your little guy's kind of angry. Slakoth. And Oricoro. I've had one of these before, but I don't think I had the lightning one. I think there's 4 or 5 different types of them. Blaziken. I haven't gotten another GX card. So we got Sneasel. Yeah, so I thought the same thing with the Onyx. These are artwork from some of the older sets. I thought that Onyx looked familiar, then I saw Sneasel. This is the first Sneasel artwork. Another Sherpet. And a Metang Bullet Punch. I don't know if that's the first time they've ever reused artwork outside of the Generations special set, but another Electrike, another Torchic, and a Mingham. Ditch and draw. You may discard any number of cards from your hand, then draw until you have 5 cards in your hand. Electro Ball. I kind of wish I could get the Pulsum, just to see what his looks like the opposite side. Alright, so that's what we got in here. Our big, awesome one was the Solgaleo Royal Rare. No EX cards, but hey, still pretty cool. I only got 3 Sherpets and 2 Torchics, otherwise everything else was different. Not sure if I need from the same as the last set. I don't remember every card I got. But that was another opening of the Dollar Store 3-card pack Celestial Storm. Catch you guys later. Bye.